Today, we're tackling an issue that every photographer faces at some point: managing battery life, especially when out shooting with the Canon EOS 2000D. Begin by turning on your Canon using the power switch. Dim your LCD screen brightness. Access the menu, navigate to the display settings, and adjust the LCD brightness to a lower level that remains comfortable for viewing. Minimize the use of live view. While live view is great for composing shots, it drains the battery faster. Use the optical viewfinder instead whenever possible. Limit the amount of time spent reviewing photos on the camera. Press the playback button less frequently and for shorter durations. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use. Go to the wireless communication settings and turn off these features to save power. Set your camera to enter sleep mode more quickly. In the menu, look for Auto Power Off settings and choose a shorter time before the camera goes to sleep. Use manual focus when feasible. Autofocusing, especially in low light or with moving subjects, can use more battery as the camera works harder to achieve focus. Carry and rotate between 2 or more batteries. Having spare, fully charged batteries means you can shoot for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. Keep your batteries warm in cold weather. Battery performance decreases in cold temperatures, so keep them in an inside pocket close to your body when not in use. And there you have it, practical tips to maximize the battery life of your camera.